Sometimes it felt like my heart was a magnet, but only toward people who were far away, unreachable, never mine, just like him. He didn't belong to me, but every time he smiled, something inside me softened. I knew it was wrong, but the heart, it never listens to logic. My name is Lili, and if I'm being honest, there has always been a strange problem in my love life. I always fall for someone I can't have. I've heard this sentence 1,000 times from my friends, from my therapist, even from myself, but I never truly understood it until Adrian entered my life. I saw Adrian for the first time at a small, friendly gathering. There was noise everywhere. Laughter, music, warm lights, but only one person caught my eyes. He was standing near the window. Quiet, calm, with that little half smile that appears only when someone thinks no one is watching. In that moment, something inside me shifted. My attention went completely toward him. But there was one problem. He was in a relationship. I found out the same night. I should have stepped back, but I didn't. I don't know why, but something inside me lit up. Something that wasn't supposed to. Days passed, and I was still thinking about him. The way he talked, the questions he asked me, how respectful and warm he seemed. Every time I thought of Adrian, one question repeated in my mind. Why am I falling for someone who isn't mine? Again. This wasn't the first time. This was a pattern, a cycle. Every time, every single time, I found myself drawn to people I could never have. And I didn't understand why. Until I finally went to my therapist, Lena. When I finished talking, Lena looked at me silently. Calm. Focused. Like someone who solved a puzzle but wanted me to see the pieces myself. She finally said, "Lili, you fall for people you can't have because in childhood you learned that love always comes with distance." I froze. She continued, "You got used to love that is hard. You never learned what safe, available love feels like. So your brain now believes that real love must hurt a little." Something inside me cracked. Something that had been hidden for years. I remembered my childhood. My father. A calm man, but always far away. Work. Trips. Responsibilities. I was always missing him, always chasing his attention. Lena said, "Your brain still chases the same pattern. Someone who is a little distant, a little unavailable, a little impossible." Her words were like a mirror. Clear. Painful. True. After the session, I decided to break the pattern, but it wasn't easy. Not at all. Because my heart wasn't cooperating. Because every time I saw Adrian, my heart trembled. But for the first time, I told myself, this feeling isn't real. It's an old pattern. I started the exercises Lena gave me. Exercise 1. Pattern writing. Every time I was attracted to someone unavailable, I wrote, "This feeling is from the past, not real love." Exercise 2. Noticing available people. At first, my mind refused to see them. But slowly, I began noticing people who truly saw me. Exercise 3. Self-kindness. I taught myself that healthy love is calm, safe, present, not painful. One day, Adrian walked into a cafe with his girlfriend, and I happened to be there. Before, this scene would have broken my heart, but this time, I just looked, breathed, and whispered, "He is not my choice. I want healthy love." For the first time, I felt free. Free from patterns, free from old wounds, free from the wrong loves. Months passed, and now I am no longer that girl who falls for the impossible. My pattern changed. My eyes became clearer, my heart calmer, and maybe, just maybe, real love is finally on its way. Not from an impossible place, but from where I truly deserve it. From a heart that is real, present, and available. Sometimes, to find the right love, we must first learn why we kept falling for the wrong ones. And this was my beginning.